Good morning again in the new year. Happy New Year to all of you, or whatever. So, as you know, I'm in phase 2, and before the ended, I enter a position, or actually 2, and I got into the drawdown where I could actually already have 1%, but that didn't happen. So what happened? I went into drawdown, and today is January 4th, which is Thursday, and this whole week I literally had like almost none wins. Okay, I just went into loss, like just everything went upside down. But so you can see here, I'm gonna show you first how much in the drawdown actually I got into. So this is my TFT dashboard. This is the lowest, I believe. Yes, this is the lowest. So you can see the virtual balance was at the time 48 to 224. It was actually lower. I believe it was like, I think it was like 47 or something like that, 47, 800. But I wasn't really stressed too much because, as you know, it's a 50-50 win or loss. So what happened yesterday? Look at this gold. I didn't. First, I was thinking this is gonna continue from this support zone on a 4 hour. It's gonna continue up, but I got stopped out. So then I'm thinking, look at the chart. I'm like, you know what? This actually might be good for short. So I flipped my bias, and this is on my diary. And then when I flipped my bias and I shorted, and this was like 127 or something like that. And of course, I took my profits along the way. Always took a half, then another half, then another half. So I made, I think, on this trade from one position, and I was risking 1%. I made around, I believe it was 2,500. Of course, they more money, but that actually got me back to not positive yet, but getting slowly out of drawdown. So currently, you can see I'm in the drawdown $1,600. I'm in the 2 trades right now. I'm gonna show you. So one is USD JPY. This is a 15 minutes chart, and what I'm anticipating, or what I'm thinking, is if you look at the daily, that this is the daily resistance. If you look at the 4 hour chart, actually it's better, you can see it better. So what I'm thinking is gonna bounce from here, potentially will go even lower, and then same thing on this is gold. I've got something prepared on the JPY. I'm in this trade as well. Let's have a look on the 4 hour. You can see it's kind of going, you know, I call it wonky. This looks wonky because it made a lower low every time. You can see, so now we made a lower low, and I believe we're gonna continue, possibly, maybe, all the way down here. So I'm not risking too much, but I'm risking good amount. And if I can get back to not even back properly, to profit this week, that will be fantastic. And we go from there. We'll see. I'm not in rush for the phase 2 to finish, because I wanted to finish the phase 1 very quickly the last time, and I know what happened. I got into drawdown, I couldn't get out of it, and I just couldn't make the profit just because I was so afraid I'm gonna miss out on trade. So today, or like on phase 2, I'm just gonna chill, and I'm just gonna let the stats play out. And today I also got my suitcase delivered, which was originally like 400 Australian dollars. And the reason why I bought a new suitcase is expensive, because I bought a cheap suitcase in Thailand, and the Thailand cost me like 1,500 baht, which was very cheap. But guess what? When I bought it, the first time I flew somewhere on the airport, they bring me the airport because I missed the flight, and they bring me the suitcase, and the wheels were just damaged. So I was like just carrying my suitcase across the airport. It was so freaking annoying. So I bought a new suitcase. Let's see how it looks. So this is it. It's called Cop & Co. Canberra. And the reason why I bought this one is because if you have a suitcase, I mean, I guess no one gets very passionate about suitcase, but I do because I travel a lot. So if you have the suitcase, right, usually you can see it on this side. You have to open in half. But what I like about this one, you can only open the top. So it's locked right now. I'm gonna open later, and you can just open the top. And you don't have to, if you wanna find something in the suitcase, you have to worry about searching through the whole suitcase, you know? So anyway, just like my new suitcase, or whatever. Good morning, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. Yesterday, as you remember, I was up almost, well, I was 49,000, so almost to break even on 50k on phase 2 challenge. Unfortunately, yesterday it brought me back to 47.5. So I'm gonna show you quickly what happened. I'm just gonna show you my diary because I deleted from my charts. But this was a one trade, Euro USD. This actually did work out a little bit. So it went up and then pulled back. So this one was just, I think I closed it for like a small profit. Gold, pretty much the same. It kept going up, and you can see this wicks, and then almost, actually I think it was already US session. It just kept dumping, so I closed it, and I actually opened it again, and then it stopped me out for small loss. Yeah, this is the USD. This is where I closed it. You can see. Let me just actually put this down a little bit. That was the Euro USD, and then what else we have? USD CAD. That didn't work out either. This was the daily resistance, and what I was thinking is we're gonna keep going up, and it did went, and then it kind of, so I had another position, anticipating we're just gonna go down here to the zone. But you can see it's just turned around, and then I had my stop loss set to break even actually on this position, and a stop loss on this one for small loss. So that was that. And then I just entered Euro JPY, so we'll see how that goes. But so far Euro JPY looks very bullish. If you look at the daily, see, yes, I know that there is a daily resistance. You can see this one, but it was tested a few times. Like it was tested once, twice, 3 times, and now it seems like we might break through. We'll see what's going to happen. But still morning, so we'll see what's gonna happen. Other than that, it's up and down. It's still nowhere near to the profit target. I'm currently actually in the negative target, so actually the same amount which I'm supposed to earn. Go figure. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see. I hope not gonna blow the account. I don't think I will, but anything can happen. So these videos are just basically me sharing with you what exactly I'm doing, and I'm completely honest and transparent about everything. I'm not trying to fake something or anything. You really see what's like. I've been trading 7 months, right, since April. Is it 7 months? 8 months. 8 months, and you can see my struggles, what I'm doing. So then maybe this might help you to see when it's in my struggles. You might help you because you might struggling as well. Be like, okay, this guy struggling too, so maybe I should just stick to it too, because I know 100%, 1000% that I will be a profitable trader, and I know that I will be making 6 figures, 7 figures a year. But I know what it takes. It takes the focus, it takes discipline, and it takes to not give it up. That's the main thing. And I guess because I had an experience before with business before, then I know what it takes in terms of discipline and grit and not giving up. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait now. It's a beautiful day today. I think it's sunny. I think I'm gonna go for Muay Thai, and I'm gonna go for a walk on the Esplanade. I'm gonna get some sun, get some suntan, and then I'm gonna see you there, guys. This doesn't look too good. I'm about 750 from breaching the maximum loss on the account. So I'm not gonna even show you what happened this week because too many things happened. Emotional, overtrade. There's no such a thing as overtrade. I don't believe in that, overtrading. but I enter, exit, re-enter, exit, re-enter, exit. I call it emotional. There's no such a thing as overtrading. So then what happened? So I nearly blow it. So I got 700 left. That's okay. What I'm gonna do next week, I'm gonna risk 0.5% of 50k, which is 250. So I have 3 chances to make some profits, which is not too bad. I'm gonna pick only the 8 trades and try to get it back to 50, and then obviously make a 52.5 profit. If that's gonna happen, great. If that's not gonna happen, well, we failed and we're gonna try again with new challenge. But obviously I don't wanna do that. I wanna do my first challenge pass and get my first payout. So we'll see how that goes. But so far it's just been not good, and I know the reason why. It's because it's me. It was a new year, and as you know, I don't drink alcohol. So if I don't drink alcohol for like 7 months or 8 months, and I just literally focus on trading, and then on New Year's I got drunk because I was like, you know what, it's New Year, let's get drunk, all that bullshit. And now I'm recovering the whole week. Guess what happened? If I'm already profitable for some time, and I know what I'm doing, and I get drunk, and you're confident in what you're doing, I don't see a problem in that. But if you don't know what you're doing and you learn something new, then I would not recommend it. But I did that, and I paid the price. Same as when I was doing Kindle publishing before, creating business on Amazon. Same thing. I didn't drink, nothing. I was focusing 100% on the business, and I achieved it. So now I have to pay the price. I have to do it over again. Basically, I have to, instead of 2,500, instead of 2,500 profit, now I have to make 7,500 profit, which is gonna be harder. But for me, it's going to prove to me that I can make more than 2.5, which is going to be rewarding for the real money. So that's the end of the week. It's Saturday. I will see you guys on Monday on a new video, new trading week. And you can see I'm not just showing you my wins, I'm just not showing you my positive sides, but I'm showing you the negative, the losses, which unfortunately are unavoidable. So there you have it.